Okay. Dobrze. And now we have moja rodzina. As you can see, on the right side you have moja, tak? Co to znaczy matka?
Mother.
Mother. Siostra.
Sister.
And syn is son.
You say it one more time.
Rodzeństwo. Rodzeństwo. Tak.
Please, when you go out,
It's gonna cost you.
Okay.
It's gonna cost you $20 if you want me to pay the
Yes,
home.
nothing is for free in this world, Isaac. Nothing. Especially when you
no pogo, unhappy, no homo, new brands, no logos, money on my juggler. No pogo, unhappy, no homo, new brands, no logos, money on my juggler.
Today is Thursday and I don't understand what this weather is giving. It's so cold this morning. Yesterday was the worst, like. So lecture today is by 9, as you all know. So I'm getting ready. I do wake up by 6 in the morning every single day to prepare myself. So yeah, that's basically it. I think my teacher said tomorrow lecture will be by 8. So we are not sure yet. My lectures, my school, it has been amazing. Even if I get confused, all the time with Polish language, but I am getting there. I'm trying my best. Yeah, so. Escolhi-se.
jeździć?
Studuję bulgarystykę.
Bułgarystykę, tak, okej.
Uniwersytet.
Okej, bardzo dobrze.
Okay, class 8 and then I can't do this. Oh no.
Yes, you can.
You will do it, Isaac.
See you
I'm
tomorrow.
already tired.
You will do it, you are always much better.
Hi guys, good evening. I came back from school long ago and I have been sleeping since then. I feel so tired. I feel really tired. I feel really tired. It's because I've been waking up early every single day. I wake up by 6. I said that in the morning. I wake up by 6 and come back. It's like I don't even sleep at all. I feel so tired. I have an order from SHEIN and I'm not sure if I have the power to start showing you guys. I think I'm going to do that when I'm good, when I'm okay, because right now I don't know what's wrong with me. So school went well. Tomorrow is by 8 in the morning. I'll have to wake up by 6 again, and by 8 I should be in school. And tomorrow also we will be going to open a bank account for me. We tried the first one, it did not work. We are trying again. Since I have 1 year contract of the school, I think I should try to open a bank account, if that makes sense. So I want to sleep. Hey guys, I came back from school a few hours ago and I am so hungry. We closed around 11 and I decided to walk around the center, walk around the city before I get home. So I'm actually hungry and I made this overnight oats. People actually say the overnight oat is more sweeter than the one you make immediately. So I'm having this overnight oats with bread, and I told you guys I'm going to be showing you the things I bought from AliExpress and SHEIN, which I'll be doing in a jiffy. So okay, let me show you guys before I start eating because I am famished.
tried this iron. This iron, guys, it's very, very hot. Like very, very hot. I tried the hot comb and it's okay, but this iron, if you're not careful, it will burn your hand. So it's worth the price. It's worth the price. I really, really like it. This is the first time I'm actually buying a iron that is very, very hot like this. The first one I bought in Russia, it was not giving anything. So this one is the best. So if you want to buy a rolling iron, get this particular one from AliExpress. It's very, very nice. Very, very nice and very, very hot. Like hot. Don't go and burn your hand. Be careful. On my videos, that's why sometimes I make silent vlog without talking, because I am a stammerer. And it's hard for me to make videos while talking. Sometimes I have to delete the video and redo it again, delete it and redo it again, because my words are not going the way I want it to go. So being a stammerer and talking on my videos is very, very hard for me. Very, very hard. Sometimes I'll just like you guys understand what I mean. So people that are, you see, this is what I'm talking about. And I got that from my auntie, my dad's sister. She's a stammerer. And maybe our last born too, she stammers a little bit, but me, especially when I'm angry, I dey vex. If I'm angry, I dey vex. My talk no dey end. If I am talking, stammering, the talk does not end. That's why sometimes I'm always quiet. I don't say anything because it's hard for me to talk. So I guess I'll be talking to you guys later.